Our publishing wing has been very active in Kannada literature. We publish books that share our vision of giving a voice to the underprivileged and distribute it. It is a happy time for us since our language has been accorded the classical language status recently. Many writers come to the Vishwalaya to find their muse and take refuge in this heaven of peace. Vishwalaya also hosts spiritual discourses and bhajans at regular intervals. At Vishwalaya, the universal temple, we believe in spreading the message of love and emotion without boundaries. Certain changes in the immediate surrounding of the ashram have forced us to relocate to Bada, a village near Dharwad. The immediate reason for this move is the rampant quarrying prevailing in Ravgodlu and the surrounding area. Debris from the blast flying down to the ashram, the constant insistent loud blast, the regular truck traffic have reduced the present location usage for the free movement of the children, who thus feel curtailed. At Bada, we stay on a 4-acre mango orchard with a small farmhouse leased for the next 2 years. Here we have begun work to establish a garden. We have cleared a patch of land. The children are already busy planting various vegetables. Vishwalaya's immediate vision is to evolve a 3-year course for children and those like them coming from unfortunate backgrounds. We wish to enable them to be self-sufficient by providing them education till SSLC, the equivalent of 10th standard. This we hope will give them access and equal opportunity to make occupational choices and utilize fully the support provided by our government. After the Samadhi of Sri Ram in 1999, his wife Devaki Amma, mother to all the children, is continued to guide us towards Ram's vision. We have many goals to reach and numerous obstacles to cross. We require a lot of resources to meet our requirements. We need people who donate and invest in the future of our children, the citizens of the world of tomorrow. We have among our patrons many distinguished ladies and gentlemen, many of them not even wanting the credit they too much deserve. Some others, like our friend and patron Ria Gota, have decided to take up the cause in public and generate resources for us proactively. We are proud to have an extended family which again includes diverse methods and manners of helping a fellow being. Today, Ram's dream of the ashram, where the children can grow their own food and are surrounded by all fruits and nuts trees, a paradise for children seems near to being. It is by the grace of the Guru that from last May till now, different aspects of our life here in Bada have been a step closer to Ram's paradise. Your help is our sustenance. Vishwalaya, near Gundanjaneya Temple, Bodare Post Office, Kanakpura Road, Bangalore South, PIN code 560082, Karnataka, India.